Hi guys, this is Val. Welcome back for another video. What is on the menu for today? I'm gonna be doing some barefoot seasoned rice. When I say barefoot, guys, it means the rice take off its shoes. But me, I'm not gonna put any ackee or any saltfish, just straight vegetables and seasoned coconut milk. You understand? When you put that coconut milk there, you know, so the flavor turn up. So I have all my ingredients here. Pumpkin, carrots, or carrot, 1 carrot. I'm gonna dice them up, dice up the pumpkin and dice up the carrot. I have scallion and thyme, sweet pepper, garlic, tomato, onion. Now I use a lot of onion, so I'm just gonna use half and half of tomato, small tomato. I have a little pimento seed just to turn up the flavor. I have a pepper, ripe pepper, right? We have rice. We have to have our rice. Nice long grain rice right here. Coconut. I have to have some salt to taste because I'm going to cook ital stew to make the salt bring up the flavor. You understand? So come, I'll cut up the seasoning, cut up my coconut and get my stuff together and make me nice barefoot seasoned rice. Yeah, and you don't have to use the natural coconut. Guys, you can use the coconut powder or you can use the coconut milk. Yes. You know me, all man, at least I got the long route. Yeah. So I'm going to cut out the coconut and then I'm going to go to the iron. Just cut out these. Now take a look. So I ox the coconut and wash it. Yeah. Yeah, man, I'm using ackee today, so I'm just going to show you how you can get your rice, nice seasoned rice. See, you know, it's seasoned rice come out nice without the ackee. Because some people live certain places, you know. A lot of people live certain places and them can't get ackee. I'm not even put the saltfish in it neither. So I'm substituting the ackee and the saltfish for the coconut milk. Even though I always use coconut milk and seasoned rice still. You know, so alright, so this is the coconut. I'm gonna blend it. Yeah. So I'm gonna cut up the pumpkin, the carrots and all the seasonings. All of these wash already. Right? Dice them. Yeah, so the pumpkin, I'm gonna saute some with the vegetable and the seasoning, but I'm gonna leave some of the pumpkin to just put on top of the rice and make the pumpkin just steam down. So when it finish cook, we have the nice pumpkin. You know, you see the chunks of pumpkin still in the rice. Alright, I'm gonna make all that. I'm not gonna let all of it cook out or boil out. Everything is washed already ahead of time for the video, right? With this recipe now, you don't use a lot of liquid because the pumpkin have a lot of moisture. So if you don't be careful, your rice come out saggy. Right? So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. So you have to make sure so your ear are clean. If anything drop on the counter, you can easily pick it up, take it up back. Right? Remember, cleanliness is next to godliness. Alright? Next step now, the sweet pepper, I'm gonna start cutting the seasoning. Slash vegetable. So the two color sweet pepper, this bell pepper, sweet pepper here, with the yellow and the green. Pretty. When I bought the sweet peppers, I did have any red or yellow. So I see one with a little speck of yellow. So I just buy it, wrap it up in newspaper, and put it a couple of days and look. Yeah. Yeah, man. Every time I want to make fashion, we always get we only buy when you see, buy what you see and then now improvise. Good. Alright, so I'm not gonna use a lot of water. Wow, look a bit more, just a little more milk. A little another time. I'm gonna start sauteing the vegetable and the seasoning, right? So I'm gonna leave back some of the pumpkin, right? And I'm not gonna put the tomatoes yet. I'm not gonna use the tomatoes yet, right? So let's take out some of these to leave back, and some of my sweet peppers. We have to have a little oil to saute with seasoning still, not a lot, right? Let me put in my everything right here can go in, right? Because I want all the flavors from all the seasoning, the vegetables to come together and we get this nice flavor, I'm going to saute all of this. This is gonna be nice. Want all the flavors out, right? The garlic, the onion, the scallion, tomato seeds, thyme, Yes, guys. I'm throwing our coconut milk now, guys. So I'm putting our milk. And we get all the flavor. Yeah, so. If you don't have coconut milk, you can still use butter. You understand? Yeah, man, you can use the butter, man. And a little salt. Salt to taste. I sprinkle a little black pepper too, you know. I'm gonna leave the coconut milk to just cook down and get all the flavors in. Go and wash my rice and come back and just put it in. Alright? I'm just gonna use about 3 cups of rice. Right? Not a lot of rice. And really swell rice, you know, too. I'm gonna say 3 cups of rice, that's it. Wow. It smells so nice. Nice. Alrighty then. Coconut nice, man. Alright, so put in the rice now. Drain off as much water from the rice when you're cooking it. So drain off as much water. You know, when you wash your rice, you cook your rice and peas because you don't want to lose the flavor when you don't build up already, you know, guys. Make sure you drain off as much water because you don't build up the flavor. And most of all, guys, taste your pot. Taste your pot. Right? So, black pepper just kind of lift up the flavor. Just the flavor. Guys, and you can use any season, anything you want to use, and I don't must have to use what I use, right? Just use what you like. I know some people don't like this, some people don't like that. You understand? So just use your stuff. You feel me? Yeah, man. Yeah, just use what makes you happy, right? You taste it already, you know, but taste it again. Perfect. Just turn on the stove on a low heat right now and just leave this, make it steam down, right? About 15 minutes. You have to cover your pot, you know. Cover it, so stay there and steam, right? Soon come back. I think I want to steam some more. Yeah, I want to steam some more. But we can stir it up, stir it. Take out this finish. Done with this. Oh yeah, I'm gonna pepper your burst in it. See, 3 cups. Hey, my hand swell rice bad enough. My hand swell rice. So I don't can pick out some of them. The couple grains are prevent it. Oh my god, I can't swell rice, so put some. You want it juicy, you don't use the coconut milk and sauce, you want it. Salted butter this here, guys. It's not salted butter. Good. Cover it down back. I left on the fire about 15 minutes now, but it needs some more steaming, so I'm gonna cover it down back. Pepper shrink, just fat up a while ago when it open the pot, it just shrink. So guys, I turn off the rice now, right? Mm-hmm. 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 So we can share a plate and we can eat some. Steaming hot. And this. Guys, thanks for watching. Right, if you come to the end of this video, give me a thumbs up, turn on the bell, subscribe to the channel. Right, as usual, you know, I have to taste my food. Yeah, I'm gonna taste, not on my pot this time, I'm gonna taste my plate. Alright? Sweet. There's a coconut milk. Guys, when I miss the saltfish and the ati, just nice. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. See this? For the niceness, you know. It's nice. Guys, I'm not exaggerating, but I tell you, say, you taste the coconut milk, you taste every flavor, you taste all the flavor poppy. Rice, nice son. Guys, well, I can't tell you how nice it is, trust me. Alright, so thanks again for watching. As we tell you already, turn on the bell. How cook your little Caesar rice, man? If you don't have coconut milk, you can use your butter and season everything nice, same way. Right? See you all on the next video and bye.